Hey y'all, it's Tech Baby. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you the difference between a private video, an unlisted video, and a public video. So let's get into it. All right, as you can see, we are at the screen where you actually select how you want your video to be, whether private, public, or unlisted. But the difference between the three is basically if it's a private video, that means that nobody will be able to see the video on YouTube. Like they can't search for the video on YouTube and find it. And it's good to make videos private, like if you wanted to take them down and then allow the people on your team or yourself to make some changes. Like if you want to change the end screen, change some captions up, or just change some things up inside of the video. That's what that's beneficial for. So that's what it means to have a private video, and that won't allow people to be able to see it or search it in any type of way. Now, unlisted means that basically the only people that can get to that video are the people that have the link. So what YouTube does is it gives you a link to your videos. Therefore, the only people that can see that video is the people that actually get the link to the video. So nobody can actually search YouTube and get to the video. And that's very beneficial for, say, if you maybe had some type of quick YouTube course or a quick video that you wanted to share with people that you don't want other people to see. That's very beneficial for that, especially like coaches and creators that do videos and they want to share it out to a group of people. You can just use that link and share it to them people, and nobody else can see that video but those people. All right, and then public is basically what it is. It's public. You can share it and post it out to everybody on YouTube. Everybody will be able to see it. It's just basically a public video. So that's the difference between public, private, and unlisted. I hope this is beneficial for you, because I know some people get hung up at this screen like, what should I make it? What does it mean to be private? What does it mean to be unlisted? Da, 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 da. So that's basically the rundown on those three options for your videos when you are uploading them to YouTube. Well, y'all, that is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was helpful and beneficial to you in some type of way. So feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you actually tried it. What happened? Did it work? Did it not work? And I know with technology it can get irritating and frustrating, and you probably ready to pull your hair out, but just know that you can do it if you try, and if you practice, and if you be consistent and just keep trying it. Just keep trying it, and before you know it, you will actually master it, and you will be like, dang, I really am good at this. I really can do this. Okay, so just know that I believe in you. You can do it. Take a break if you need to, but get right back in there and try it and keep trying it. Just don't give up. Whatever you do, just don't give up, okay? So remember, until next time, do not stress, because with Tech Baby, you will become the best. I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye.